Santander app login, Bank Santander. If you wish to log into your Santander app, it is very simple for us to do so. What you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Santander mobile banking application on your device. So let me go ahead and then do that as well right here. Once I've launched the app, this is the interface you will see. So right over here you enter the user ID that you use for your mobile banking, and you also type in your password. Then you can tap on the login button, and if it is the correct ID you'll be able to log in. In case you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot user ID or password to go on and try to reset it. You can also try to go ahead and then view the current password that you're typing in, and you can also check your quick balance feature by going to see your account balance before logging in. To set up this feature, you can select up to 5 accounts for quick balance, and you can do that as well. And this way you'll be able to basically log into your Santander Bank app. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.